Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will talk about the Python magic methods. This is an advanced object-oriented concept. Magic methods in Python, known as Dunder methods, are special methods with double underscores at the beginning and end of their names. They are not meant to be invoked directly by the programmer or by you, but the invocation happens internally from the class on a certain action. These methods define how objects of the class behave in certain situations. Here are some of the most commonly used magic methods. For example, underscore underscore init underscore. So every magic method has double underscores at the beginning and end of the names, and they are methods. So those are not directly invoked by the programmer, but it is internally invoked in a certain situations. We will see some of the examples how to use Dunder method. The first most commonly used Dunder method is init. This init method is a constructor method in Python, which is called when an object is instantiated. So in this point class, there is an init method, which means that constructing the constructor of the object point. And this method is called when that object is instantiated or the object of the class is created. So this is one of the most commonly used Dunder method. And the other Dunder method is str. This is a string method. So this method is basically overriding to return a printable string representation of any user-defined class. This method called by the str method, which is a built-in function and that prints to convert the object to a string. Here, this is basically for testing purpose, and when you are printing the object, it returns these statements by default. So automatically invoked by that object when the object is instantiated. Okay, the other is REPR. This is another most commonly used Dunder method or magic method in object-oriented programming. So this method is called by the REPR built-in function to generate a string representation of the object for debugging. This is basically for debugging purpose. When you are instantiating the object of the class, and when you are printing that object, it automatically invokes the method REPR, and it returns the statements automatically without accessing that method like user-defined method. So those are very important for debugging purpose. And the other example of this magic method is what add. This add basically you can use in different ways, but here the purpose is to add four more things together, and we can also use as a concatenation to concatenate lists, and also in this example, the custom list class has an add Dunder method that allows instances of the class to be concatenated. So this allows instance. For example, here I have created two objects for custom class, and I just wanna concatenate the two objects together. I can call this add Dunder methods, and it can perform these things. So this add method checks if the other operand is also an instance of a custom list. If that instance of the custom list is that, concatenate the items and create a new custom list. Otherwise, it's just raise an error that is unsupported operand type. So this is what. And the string Dunder method just returns the object's string after concatenated the custom lists together. So these are some of the commonly used Dunder methods. There are a lot of Dunder methods. So in Python, everything is object. So every object has Dunder methods. You can check out using dir method of every object to see what are the Dunder methods of that object. So these examples demonstrate the usage of various magic methods to customize the behavior of classes in different contexts. Depending on your use case, you can choose to implement relevant magic methods to enhance the functionality of your classes. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching today.